Mother's Day, the day we celebrate all those things our mums did for us, even if we didn't appreciate it at the time. And what better gift to give her than a personalized video for her that preserves all those memories she has of raising you. And I'm going to break it down into 4 easy steps, so stick with me. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Francesca, and I help solopreneurs and small business owners to reach more people and get their message heard using video. So make sure you hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss out on all my content about creating and using video. But today, I want to do something a little bit different and honor all the mums out there. Yep, that's my mum. And I know the first thing she's going to say about this video is, Francesca, you have a pimple. Like I didn't already know it was there. But no, in all seriousness, I love you, Mum, and this video is dedicated to you. But just before we start, put a comment below with the biggest or the best thing that your mum has done for you, so we can start honoring all those women who brought us into this world and spent all that time raising us into the people that we are today. So let's get started making that video that 1, preserves all your mum's memories forever, and 2, is a really cool gift for her. We're going to start with step 1. Get your phone, a microphone, and something to steady it. Now your microphone doesn't have to be fancy. In fact, it could just be the headset that came with your phone and use it like a lapel by attaching it to your mum's shirt. But if you want to buy a microphone, then I use and recommend the Movo LV1. I'm actually using it right now, so I can't show it to you. But there's a link in the description to that microphone. And the other thing is, you don't have to have a fancy tripod either. You could have a GorillaPod, which I do love, just a standard kind of tripod, which you can find links to each of these in the description below. But otherwise, you could just use a coffee cup. No joke, just cut a slit in the top and place your phone in there. Step 2, interviewing your mum. So you want to ask her questions that are going to recall all those memories that stand out for her. The ones that made her laugh and cry. You know, the funniest thing you did as a child. The most frustrating thing you did as a teenager that she can laugh about now. The moment she first saw you, what did she feel? It's anything that's going to recall those really cool memories. If you want more examples of questions, you can check out the blog that's linked to this video. Again, there's a link in the description below. Step 3, find some photos of you and your mum growing up together. Now, once you've interviewed her, you know what sort of memories she's recalled. Try and find photos that match those memories. But if you can't find something that's exactly that moment in time, then just find one that demonstrates the age in which she's talking about. Step 4, editing it all together. Now, this is what I find the most fun of video making, bringing all those elements together into a complete video. And if you're not really tech savvy or don't have any editing experience, there's some really simple apps out there to use. And I recommend the Adobe Premiere Clip app, which is available on iPhone and Android. In this app, you can just grab the clips and photos that you want to use, choose to let the app do the hard work for you, or choose the freeform option where you decide how your final video is going to look. You can then trim your clips, add some music, add filters, and you're pretty much good to go. But if you want to take it to the next level, or you have some experience editing, or you're pretty tech savvy, then I really recommend checking out KineMaster, which again is available on both iPhone and Android. This app is more on the professional end, and you can do everything you can do in Adobe Premiere Clip, but with so much more, including adding photos as B-roll over the video of your mum speaking, some fun graphics, and even some cool text titles. Now get cracking on that video before Sunday. And happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there, especially my mum, because this video is dedicated to you. So I'll catch you all in my next video, but until then, happy filming.